Chapter 13. Finite and non-finite verbs. Let's connect. Verbs are divided into finite and non-finite verbs. Let's focus. A finite verb is one that has tense. It has to agree with its subject in person and number. Therefore, it changes its form accordingly. A finite verb is limited by tense. I come daily. Present. I came yesterday. Past. I shall come tomorrow. Future. A finite verb is limited by number. The boys play cricket. Plural subject. The boy plays cricket. Singular subject. A finite verb is limited by person. You break my glass. You, second person. He breaks my box. He, third person. Non-finite verbs are not bound by the rules of the subject-verb agreement. Without a finite verb, a sentence cannot make complete sense, but a non-finite verb is generally an extension of a sentence and can be left out. Look at these sentences. He likes reading. We like reading. They want to swim. He wants to swim. Here you see, reading and to swim do not get changed for the person, hence are non-finite forms of verb. Non-finite verbs are of three kinds: the infinitives, the gerunds, the participles. Infinitives. Read the sentences given below. I went to see a film. She wants to make a lot of money. The words to see, to make are infinitives. We use the infinitive to express purpose. Example, I went to the hospital to see my friend. In a sentence, an infinitive may be used as the subject to a verb. Example, to visit Mr. Murthy now would be a bad idea, as the object to a verb. Example, Sumit is planning to go to Ooty, after an adjective adverb. Example, I was upset to hear of her accident, after a noun. Example, I went to the market to buy some eggs, as a complement to a noun. Example, I need a house to live in. At times we may use a bare infinitive or an infinitive without a to. Example, I better write down your address. Gerunds. Read the sentences given below. Smoking is a waste of money. I don't like writing letters. My favorite occupation is reading. The words smoking, writing, reading are gerunds. Gerunds are used in place of nouns. Gerunds can be the subject of a sentence. Example, reading is a good pastime. The complement of a sentence. Example, I don't like traveling. The with adjectives. Example, what is the objective of this pointless questioning? Used after a preposition. Example, I will call you after arriving at the office. Participle. They are of three kinds. 1. Present participle. 2. Perfect participle. 3. Past participle. 1. Present participle, verb plus ing. It shows an action going on. For example, hearing the news, I became happy. Seeing my father, I stood up. We saw a boy playing. 2. Perfect participle, having plus llld form of the verb. It shows an action completed at some past time. For example, having worked hard, Ram succeeded. Having written a letter, Mohan posted it. 3. Past participle, llld form of the verb. It shows a completed action. For example, I met a wounded man. You have a damaged car.